Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today we've partnered up with GH Dip to review and demo their best-selling fast-drying dip powder kit from Amazon. This kit is an amazing investment if you're looking to get salon-quality nails at home. Let's go over what you get inside the kit. First up, there are written step-by-step instructions with photos on how to use this kit to get a perfect dip manicure at home. There are 10 easy steps to a salon-quality manicure. We'll walk you through those here in this video today. You can also see all the different colors of dip powders that they sell, along with some bonus steps on how to do a French manicure using their dip powder products as well. Now for the products. You'll have 4 bottles of liquid in your kit. The first being the base liquid, the second being the activator, the third being the glossy top coat, and the fourth being the brush saver. Now let's check out the 6 gorgeous nude shades of dip powder that you get in this kit. We love the shiny chrome lids, the hollow text, and the amount of powder that you get in each large jar. The first shade is called Shiny Nude, and it's a warm, creamy grayish color. Next up is Suntan, and this shade is a beautiful peachy color. Mauve Nude is a really pretty taupe. Shiny Seashell is a gorgeous neutral shade with some yellow undertones. Next we have Harvest Moon, which is a warm neutral that would look really beautiful during the fall. And finally, Mousse Latte has a really lovely pink tone to it. So let's get into the tutorial. This kit is super easy to use for beginners. So to begin, prep your nails by buffing them to make them matte so that the product adheres properly to them. Then remove any dust by wiping them with rubbing alcohol. Next, get your base and apply an even, thin layer over your nail. Take your time while you do this to ensure that you cover every bit of your nail plate. For our manicure, we're going to use the Suntan shade. Dip your nail into the powder on a 45-degree angle. Then you can pull it out and tap off any excess powder. And now your first coat of dip powder is done. Continue the steps of the base, dip, and tap for the rest of your nails. Something that makes this dip powder formula stand out from others on the market is that this dip powder is fast drying. It will dry on its own within 30 seconds without having to apply the activator on top. Your nails are now ready for the second and final coat of color. So repeat the steps again of applying the base, dipping, and tapping to get a smooth and opaque color on your nails. So now you're ready to file and buff your nails to get the shape that you want and to ensure that your nails are all smooth. It's time to apply the activator. Use 1 coat of this over all your nails to ensure that the dip powder is all dry and ready for the top coat. Now it's time for the glossy top coat. To get really shiny nails, apply 1 coat of the top coat over all your nails. Wait until it's half dry, and then apply a second and final layer. Now, if you need to, you can use the brush saver to remove any unwanted residue that may have hardened on your brushes during application. Your beautiful nails are all done. Quick, easy, and it will last you weeks. We'll have a direct link to this kit for you guys on Amazon in the description box below in case you're interested in trying it out for yourself. If you have any questions for us, let us know in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time!